Are you facing TikTok search not working? Here on this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok search not working. Now, to fix TikTok search not working, there are these processes you know to fix it. The first one is to use search detector here on TikTok to know if you are the only one facing the issue on the TikTok. Now here, first go to your Chrome. Here I'm using Chrome as my browser like this. Now here, search for down detector like this and search for it. Here you see it. Now click on it. And here, scroll down or slide down till you find TikTok. Here you can see TikTok. Now click on TikTok. You can see what it says. Users report shows no current problem with TikTok. You can see now, as you can see, there is no current issue on TikTok. And what you do in order to fix the search not working, here what you do again is to here go back to TikTok. Here like this is to click on your profile icon here. Now what you do is to click on this three line icon on top side here. Now click on settings and privacy. Now scroll off or slide down to your find free up space here. What you want to do is to clear up the cart like this. Now click on free up space. Now clear up the cart in order to free your TikTok app from cache. Here you can see, and click on clear up cache. Now click on clear. Now you can see I've cleared up the cache. And what you do after fixing this and still TikTok search is not working, and what you do now here is to also update the TikTok app like this. Go to your Play Store, update the TikTok app, or Apple Store, update the TikTok app here like this. Now you can see, now what you do now is to update it here. Make sure you update it. And what after updating it, what you do now here is to
exit from the TikTok app.
Out of TikTok now. What you do now here is to press on TikTok like this, or go to your settings here like this. Search for TikTok application. Search for TikTok in your app management like this. Here click on app list, find your app management, click on app list, search for TikTok like this. Now click on the TikTok app here. Now here what you do now here is to click on storage and cache here. Now what you do now is to click on this storage here, clear storage. Click on this clear storage, clear the storage, and then re-enter or reopen the TikTok application in order to fix the search not working issue. Here, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Also, check out the playlist on the screen or on the description section to find tutorials on TikTok.